Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about another indicator called Traders Dynamic Index Indicator or TDI. We are using trading view charts today and we are looking at Australian dollar versus US dollar, and this is the 4-hour chart. As you can see, I already added the indicator to the chart. So the settings for the RSI and band length, and also the fast and slow MA. I'll leave it as it is. The only number that I changed is the levels. For lower level, I changed it to 32, and the upper level, I changed it to 68. These are preset at 30 and 70 on this trading view, but I changed it to 32 and 68 to match the actual setup for the original indicator. Okay, so Trader's dynamic index indicator is a complex indicator that consists of the following indicators. It has the RSI or relative strength index. RSI helps us with the trend recognition, trading in the direction of the trend, and also overbought and oversold entry signals. Looking at the photo here, you can see the RSI in green and also the signal line in red. Um, the other indicator is used in this is the moving averages. As you know, moving averages are used to define the RSI parameters, and it helps to smooth RSI. Just mention that, so you know what is the background of the calculation on this indicator. We don't want to know all about it, and we don't want to go to the detail of that anyway. Bollinger Bands, or in this case, we should only refer to them as volatility bands. Okay, as I said, the moving averages help us to smoothen the RSI, and volatility bands help us with the trend strength recognition and trend direction. Okay, let's start with the RSI. Actually, before we start on that, I'm just going back to this photo. As I said, the signal, just maybe zoom out a bit on this one. Okay, a bit more. We can see the RSI line in green and signal in red, and also we have volatility bands in blue color at top, and the lower volatility band here. And also we have an orangish color here, which is baseline. You can change these colors to suit you, but I just leave it as it is. Okay, we go back to the chart. As I said, then we already added the indicator to the chart. Now, what we can get out of this indicator? Okay, let's start with the RSI. As I said, you can go back and have a look at my video about RSI to learn more about that. Um, RSI, if it goes, for the overbought and oversold, if it goes over the upper line, which is 68 here, and it's oversold, and if it goes below the 32 is in oversold. So above 68 overbought and below 32 is oversold. As you can see here, it's oversold, and then we have a signal, the signal line crossing the RSI, then we can go long. And as you can see, it works perfectly. But that's just RSI by himself. I'm just gonna explain more about how use this indicator. So two things about RSI was overbought and oversold, and also you are gonna just recognize the trend. The second one, the moving averages, we're not going to discuss that because we already set it up as the existing numbers was good and it's just smoothing the RSI. But volatility bands. Volatility bands, we have two blue lines here, upper volatility and the lower. And also we have the base line, which is the orangish line. It's very similar to Bollinger Band. When we have the wide distance between two upper and lower bands, we are in high volatility. As you can see, the price rising higher and faster. Sorry, it can, and also when the distance between these two is small, or they're closer to each other, then we have less volatility like here. So as you can see so far, we can have very good information out of this indicator, like the trend direction and also the trend strength, and also the overbought oversold position. Also, another thing is when you look at the baseline, when it goes up, we are in uptrend, and when it goes down, it means that we are in downtrend. And when it's like here in sideway, we are in sideway market. Okay, the strategy to trade this indicator, I'm gonna just use share with you my own strategy. So the strategy will be when the RSI goes above the upper band and then starts going back into the upper band, or the other side as well, but I'm talking about this one. uh, it's a very good indication of starting a down movement here, but you better wait for the signal as well. So two conditions: when first the RSI goes outside of the band, then it goes back inside, and wait for the signal. So here is a sell signal. You can see that we can sell here and goes down. The exit strategy will be when the RSI goes the other side of the band, and then it goes back inside. So you can sell. You could have sell here, and just close the sell position or short position here. Also, another signal we're gonna check here. You can see we are outside the band, so we are below the lower band. Then it goes inside, and also here it crosses over the signal line. So this is a good buy signal. And as you can see here, this can be a trend reversal because it's also gone below 32. So this is a trend reversal. Could be because it's gone to the oversold area. So as you can see here, it's a buy signal. So you could sell it here, or you could just change your stop loss and move your stop loss and just stay in the trade. in the trend, sorry, for as long as it hits the other change of direction, the other side. So it's a good indicator, but as you know, all indicators have the false signals. For example, here maybe it goes below and once and goes back above the lower band, and we have the signal here. You could buy and then exit here. It's still not bad, this one. So from here to here, you could stay in this trade again, not bad. But many times, it may give you false signals as well. But as far as I see here, even here, you can see gone above and then down. So it works very nicely on this pair, Australian dollar versus US dollar. Yeah, I think that's all about this indicator. This is very nice indicator, looks complex, but it's not that complicated to be used, and you can use that easily and make some profit. But it's not a popular indicator, and not too many traders using this. At least I don't know those traders if they use this indicator. Um, I hope you learned something. If you have any question, just put comments down below, and I will try my best to answer your questions. Have a nice day. See you later.